In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable import large files if you're working with a big CSV or spreadsheet and want to bring it into Airtable. Without running into errors, the key is to prepare the file carefully before you import anything. A little cleanup at the beginning can save a lot of time later. Start by preparing your CSV or spreadsheet file. Open it and give it a quick review so you understand what's inside. This is especially helpful if the file came from another tool or was exported by someone else, because formatting issues often show up during import. Next, clean the file. Remove any unnecessary columns that you don't actually need in Airtable, since extra data can make the import more confusing and harder to manage. Also, delete blank rows because they can sometimes create messy or incomplete records. Make sure there aren't any duplicate header rows either. Airtable expects one clear header row that defines each column, so repeated headers in the middle of the file can cause problems. If the file is too large, split it into smaller CSV files. This is a practical way to make the import process more stable and easier to troubleshoot. Smaller files are also helpful if you want to test the structure before importing everything at once. Try to keep each split file organized in the same format so Airtable can handle them consistently. Once the file is ready, open Airtable and choose the CSV import option. This is where you'll upload the cleaned file into a new or existing setup, depending on how you're organizing your data. After uploading, map the fields. This means matching each column from your file to the correct Airtable field. Take your time here because accurate field mapping helps prevent misplaced data. For example, a name column should go into a text field, while quantities or totals should go into number fields. Then check the field types carefully. Confirm that dates are being recognized as dates, numbers as numbers, attachments in the correct format, and general text in text fields. This step matters because the wrong field type can affect sorting, filtering, formulas, and overall usability once your data is inside Airtable. When everything looks right, complete the import and review the records. Don't just assume the process worked perfectly. Scan through the imported rows and confirm that the data appears where you expect it to. Finally, fix any errors by correcting the rows that failed to import. It's normal to have a few issues, especially with large files. Update those problem rows, then re-import or adjust them as needed so your Airtable base ends up clean, complete, and ready to use.